Okay, I've got something in this thing. Let's see what it is. Right in the roots. Oh my gosh, you guys! Part of an old wagon. See that hook? This is horse tack. That's cool. I was not expecting something so old right here. My word. That's cool. It's right on the surface. Well, look who came to metal detect with me. I'm just close by here. And I'm at a site where there was sheep pens and a gate. And I just found that piece of horse tack. And Muffy showed up. Yeah, I found a bunch of nails over there too. But yeah, sheep pens were right over here. And, you know, they're turn of the century. So I'm at the same place, just a few yards away from last week's video, if you saw that one. But just been finding nails and that piece of horse tack so far. So let's see what else we can find. Okay, I think I have a big item here. Let's see what it is. Oh! Oh my gosh. Ha! Some broken piece of equipment, guys. Look at that. It's mostly flat on this side and kind of rounded over here. Very heavy. Well, I got a big item here. Oh, just a bar with some holes in it. Well, in this hole I found two items. I think this must be a piece of lead. It's pretty heavy, and it was in the around mid-40s, mid-50s on the AT Pro. Then I found this broken chain link right here where an old shop's at. Well, I am standing inside an old 1880s building, and I have metal detected around this before and haven't found any coins. Found lots of that kind of stuff though. It was suggested to me that I should metal detect over this old floor because there's a lot of dirt covering it. See if I can find anything. So there's nails, there's metal. So I'm going to poke around and see what I can find. And this floor is getting pretty weak, but this section of the building, there's not too much room to the bottom. Now, I sent my camera under this building last year. It looked like over in this section, there was an amber bottle stashed under here, like right there. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to take up a couple of boards or get to it from outside, but I might do that today. So let's see what we can find. Well, I got a mid-tone right there, and I dug up this thing, which is real fragile, but it looks like some kind of tag, so I'm going to clean this off and see if it says anything or is anything interesting. Lots of interesting things on the floor in here, so. Well, this thing, I can't clean it any better than that. It's real flimsy. I already broke off part of it, but it looks like nail holes in the four corners, so I'm thinking it was to plug up a hole in the building. But if I see anything on it, I'll let you know. Well, I got a different, like a mid-tone mix, and I found this round thing, and it's pretty light. So I don't think it's anything. It's rusty. But there's a lot of metal right here. So let me see what I can pick through. Well, right down there under the leaves was this old thing. Can't really read what it says on there right now. It has a pulley. Not sure what it was used for. Well, I haven't found much yet. These are some of the things I found. Little piece of horse tack, I guess. Some more horse tack. There's the actual leather with the rivets still in it. These two items. A little spring and some nails. That. And this rang up a lead signal. So it's kind of thin. And then there's some other things around the building, just old stuff. This is actually a barrel that was used for branding. Let's see, over here. Well, there's that giant piece. Don't know what it was for. And I haven't dug underneath these leaves, so here's some horse tack leather with the buckles and stuff still. And let's go over to this shelf. There's something. It says 42 on it. Look at those letters and the design. Yeah, I don't know what these are for. Maybe some piece of machinery they stuck in here. It looks like a sickle guard right there, but I mean a sickle. Wonder if it is. Okay, in this shelf. Now in this shelf, there's a lot of leaves, but here's an old leather piece with the buckle still in it, and some stuff I put up here, part of a shoe, I think, before. And so I don't know what's back in there. All right, let's see what else we can find. So back over here in this corner, I found one of these, and I kind of wonder if that's one of those horse hoof sanders. And some more of these things. And the old door scutcheon and some horse tack still hanging here. And something to hang things on. Okay, cool. Well, I just checked underneath this board and the dirt is right there. So the bottle must be more over here. So I'm gonna have to do some, I'm gonna check the camera I just stuck under there. It didn't look like it was light enough to show anything, so I'm gonna have to do some more digging around. But so we'll see what we can find out. So it turns out that it was just the glare off one of the boards in there. So I'll show you the original video and then another video I took today that shows there's nothing there. How disappointing, but yeah, just have to get used to disappointment. Anyway, I took some other video to look under the building to see if I could see anything, so I'll look at those when I get home. And that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Muffy, what's Pepper doing? She's over there looking for a mouse. A lot of mouse holes over there. Yes, there is. What do you think, Muffy? She says, I was just over there looking around. Oh, let's see if she catches one.